Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to share your current location with someone when you do not have the internet connection. Here is how to do that. Open up the settings and search for the compass app. Open the compass app and here you can see the location setting. Tap on it and make sure the option is set while using the app is turned on, and also you have the precise location turned on. Now go back and open up the compass app. At the bottom you can see the current coordinates. Simply tap and hold on it and press copy. Now go to the SMS app and share it to someone you want to share. When the other person got your coordinates, he or she can open it up in the Google Maps. And there is your current location. So that's it guys. This is how you can share your current location when you do not have the internet connection. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and please subscribe to my channel.